side you gonna stand on?
Side over here.
Alright, you got them notched enough, I guess.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and get into it a little bit and then stick that wedge in it. Like almost aiming straight that way. That way it don't sit this way.
Keep watching up there. Make sure it doesn't catch the piece of plate. Hit me in the head. Got a hard hat down here at the top.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut up the wood on the far side, the other side of the tree, as much as I feel comfortable, and then come back and cut this up on this side. That way I don't have to go back on that other side. So then we'll see where we're at. If I have time, if it doesn't go, I'm going to stick a wedge in it on this side toward the camera, just for insurance purposes, hopefully. And it'll help it from sitting back, which I don't think it will, or wanting to come this way. That's the plan.
Well, took a wire down. What the hell is that wire?
That busted off quicker than I thought it would too.
Yeah, it's because it's, I don't know what kind of shit it is.
Soaking wet.
Well.